Let's imagine for a moment that you walk into your favorite store. There it is, the dream product that you've always wanted. Immediately, you begin picking up overtime, cutting costs, and when you have time, dreaming about your new toy. After a few months, you finally have enough. Excited, you run down to the store and grab the box off the shelf. For a moment, you think, maybe I should save a little bit of this money. But that's only a moment. You buy it, run back home to unbox and set up your new dream toy. You turn it on, and nothing. It doesn't function. Crushed, you return to the store where the owner informs you the product is back ordered and you will have to wait a few months to get a replacement. Why would you want zero defects? That's exactly why. Defective products and defects not only impact a business internally, they impact the satisfaction of customers as well. This can result in lost sales, bad reviews, and possibly a product or service that cannot be sold. Many people wonder, is zero defects even achievable? With so much of a zero defect philosophy riding on and changing culture, it can be difficult to see anything other than failure. However, there is much more than that. In addition to improved customer satisfaction and loyal customers, working to achieve zero defects will drastically reduce the costs, improve efficiency, and establish a foundation for problem solving. Formally defined, a defect is any output from a service or a product that does not meet the customer required specifications, standards, or requirements. Though a defect is not the same as defective, they both yield significant costs. For example, when a defect occurs, time, materials, money, and other resources have been invested already. If the part or information is deemed defective, it is all lost. With that being said, even a defect will cost you money in the form of rework, lost time, and possibly an output that you can do nothing with. Defects also slow a process down. They cause information and products to be reworked, and they often result in bottlenecks or lines that are stopped. On the other hand, when defects do not occur, a process moves more efficiently. When a process results in a defect, the primary objective would be to stop and work through the various levels of causation and discover why the defect occurred. As this problem-solving process occurs, a foundation for problem-solving and improvement-minded people are developed. This is one of the most powerful aspects of the ZQC system, its focus on the process and not on people. As noted earlier, the system recognizes that people are not perfect and that errors will occur. This mindset creates an environment where problems can be brought forward and solved. In addition to this, the system gives people tools that they can use to prevent mistakes from ever turning into defects and solve problems one after another. As you can see, there are many reasons why zero defects would be your focus. From the days of Shigeo Shingo and Philip Crosby right up until today, zero defects is a recipe to lower inventory, improve efficiency, and reduce costs in an organization. Let's now begin looking into this powerful ZQC system and learn how we can begin moving towards zero defects.